This one. Only.
Coffee at Underberg.
Not knowing you look after the car right there.
Exactly.
And then it's about 5 kilometers to me.
Okay.
He says then it's easy
Waterfall.
to reach it.
Yes.
Ja, so mooi met die blommetjies hier voor me, zo.
Also can start a fire. Can't go. Oh my God. We're rich. We can all start working. In what would I do? I think I could do
It's misty.
mine away. No.
See, it's even getting a little clearer there, slowly.
Maybe we're lucky when we go down.
I like the stove. Let's keep the
Ice.
This is dirt.
Ja.
Oh ja, schön dom.
Can't even see anything. It's freezing.
As jy net ons was, mocht ons opgeloop het, ek het eers lepieters gesien.
No.
Kijk hoe mooi is dit.
Waar?
Hier is een hier. Is die blommetjie?
Maar daar sien ek nie. Oh, so mooi.
Hier is ek in 'n barbecue kry.
Sou dit baie meer waardeer het as dit nie so mistig was nie.
Ja, ek sê nou vir myself vandag.
Ek wens ek kan dit weer doen op 'n mooi dag.
Ek sê gelukkig was ons almal nou hier. Ek dink net nie Trish nie. So ons almal
Ja, maar dit is net 'n ander heeltemal experience as ek 'n foto van haar bo kon geneem het.
maar net tog is al jy so gewonderd hoe dit lyk.
Ja.
Nog nooit gedoen het.
Ja, nou, so sy weet ook hier. Ons moet eintlik vir haar internetfoto wys.
Ja.
Want ek het hierdie van net die stroompie afneem. Hè. Ja, yes. walking down. Mist everywhere, you can't even see how high we are.
Dit dan neem 'n foto van ons en dan met die waterval hier agter.
Kijk zo naar.
Kom maar. Kom pak jy.
Almost at the bottom. Go for it. Go for it.
Turn around.
I want to win like an award with this video.
Yes!
Hij dacht ik had doorgegaan. Oh no, Mom. What now? A slang? Four? Wie zit ze? My brother and his friend hid their beer somewhere in some random stream and then they found it again, so now they're happy and now they're gonna drink it.
Somebody's lying because he's not got clothes for the
And he complains that they want to tar the road up, but he wants him to walk on pavement. Yeah.
people today. I mean, it was scheduled if it was scheduled for yesterday, they would have wasted it just driving up and having a wine up there and driving back because you can't see anything. But we've got something out of it because we walked, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
And it was different.
Yes.
Everything was different.
Yeah. Vomiting, and I said I can't drive down Sunny Pass.
Yes.
I can't do it. So he drove just that little part that was so tough, and then I took over and I drove down here. And when we stopped here, the lady said, "Is she still not bent?" I said, "No, it's my husband."
You guys
And they gave him
had
an injection, and he slept all the way to the farm.
lucky nothing happened to you.
Yeah,
Yes.
I tell you.
Where are these muffins?
Coming up.
South Carolina, South Africa, eh? At least to be South Africa.
Farm store where you can buy something and you put your money and take a change in the box and write down what you bought in the book. There's no one here to serve you. It's an honesty system. Let me see.
Just be great. They're still warm.
Freshly baked bread.
Feel them bad bread and still warm.
One bread.
15 rand.
Yeah.
Apricot jam.
Apricot. Yeah.
38 rand.
38.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ginger biscuits, 20 rand.
Ginger biscuits. Yeah. How much? 30?
38.
38. Yeah.
And then vegan fruit roll.
Fruit roll.
20 rand.
Yeah.
2 nuggets.
Yeah.
14 rand each.
Nice, Jacob.
Yeah.
Brownies.
Yeah.
30 rand.
What?
30.
30.
And a dunker.
Dunker.
5 rand.
5 rand. Total? 1?
I don't know, it was 1%.
Add it.
15 plus
Kannst du.
38 plus. Nee, money. 20 plus 38 plus 20 plus 14 plus 5. Mama, see, 2, 14. 194. 194 rand. Okay. Basic change. 200 rand. 6 rand change.
Get a bag.
Okay, Mom. Done. Here's a bag.
Oh yes, could be. It's funny, only certain places. Yes. Oh yes. Where did we walk? In between. Those two high little.
Where did we walk?
Did you see those two sticky out nipple things?
Left. There.
Yeah.
We walked up there.
But we had no problems.
Saying now that she's been to Zanzibar.
Okay. I've heard the diving is really good for recreational diving.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you been there, Bear?
No. And it looks so lovely.
Yeah.
Water and white sands. Apparently it's very expensive.
Oh, really? Look, it actually says 25 kilometers to Sonny Falls from here.